Hello guys, welcome to Vegan Made Yummy. My name is Heidi and today we are making Fettuccine Alfredo. This recipe is nut-free and diabetic friendly. The health benefits are low in calories and low in fat. First, cook 1 box of fettuccine pasta according to package instructions. Then, in a high-speed blender or food processor, combine 1.5 cups of canned cannellini beans, 6 garlic cloves, 2 tablespoons of veganese, half a cup of sweet onion, 2/3 cup of dehydrated potato flakes, 2/3 cup of plain soy milk, 3/4 cup of plain silk creamer, 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, 2.5 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, 3 tablespoons of nutritional yeast flakes, 3 dashes of cayenne powder, half a teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper, and salt to taste. Blend until smooth and creamy. Add more soy milk or creamer to thin out sauce to desired consistency. Pour some of the sauce over the drained pasta and cook over medium heat until the sauce is hot. You can serve the pasta with some extra sauce and garnish with fresh basil. This is the end result: creamy and delicious Fettuccine Alfredo. Stay tuned for more vegan made yummy recipes.